Hi, my name is Jihad Gabra. I'm the product manager for the ePMP product line, and today we're going to go about a new product that we are actually introducing. It is a 6 gigahertz access point. It is the ePMP 4600L, and this is a 2x2 MIMO access unit that can support up to 120 subscribers. What's in the box is the actual radio itself. It's a connectorized module that has two SMAs for channel 0 and channel 1, and it has over here another SMA connector for the GPS antenna, and over here you have two possible connections. One is an Ethernet and the other is an SFP fiber connection. The content of the box, we have these two glands, and they come with this long one comes with a plug that is sealed, and this one comes with a plug that is open, and this I think goes over the Ethernet connection. The long one goes over the SFP connection. And also, as an added bonus over here, that if you are not going to use the Ethernet, you take that open and you remove the seal and you put in a plugged seal instead. This is the actual mounting bracket right here, and we have a GPS puck, and it is using a SMA connector, and we have the power cable, the PoE power supply, and a set of 4 screws to be used with the mounting bracket, and a ground screw. We're going to go ahead and start the installation on this on a pole. Okay, the first step, we're going to take the mounting bracket, put it right here, and we're going to install these screws in. So quickly we change the bit in here, and we'll go ahead. And the last one, okay, this is done. SMA is up. We're gonna insert our brackets. You see this right here on this bracket right here at the top. There is a little bit of a lip right there. So that's actually where the brackets will stay, right underneath. You're gonna hold it with the lip. So we're gonna go ahead, do the installation. So we're gonna install this small part first, and then we're gonna put in our seal with the lip pointing downwards, just like that. And then we're gonna install the cable, and it goes in just like that. Okay, the gland is in. This already comes with the sealed gland inside. So we're gonna put it back together and cover the SFP port, because that's what we are not using. Then at this point, we're gonna go ahead and install our GPS box. So you want actually clear view to the sky when you install this. So if you know that you're gonna mount your antenna right on top, you'll mount this above the antenna. Okay, that's very important. Make sure you have clear view to the sky. So I'm assuming that I'm gonna mount my antenna right here. And you install your SMA, and then you torque this using an SMA torque, which I have right here. And That's it. At this point, the installation of the ePMP 4600L is complete with the GPS puck installed. These over here, as I said, they will go to channel 0 and channel 1 of your antenna or sectored antenna, whichever you're using. Thank you.